Hey you, are you looking for a cookie that gives a great balance of fall spices? Yeah, you're in the right spot. Stay tuned. Hey y'all, and welcome to today's video. I wanted to do a video with you all because of the simple fact, y'all know I love baking. Y'all know I love going in that kitchen. Y'all know that I just love trying new recipes. So in today's video, I'm going to be making some Taylor Swift chai cookies. I know you're probably like, what? When did Taylor Swift make some chai cookies? Well, I don't know. All I know is one day my coworker came in about 2-3 weeks ago and she was like, hey, I have these cookies for you guys as my team. I just wanted to show appreciation to you guys for, you know, being there for me and helping out, and here's some cookies. And I was like, oh, okay, what kind of cookies are these? She was like, oh, they're Taylor Swift chai cookies. I'm like, huh? Did she put this on the internet and this is something I don't know? Well, come to find out, it's all over Pinterest, it's all over Google, it's all over TikTok. I'm just like, okay, gotta try these. So I printed off a recipe and I have it here. Prep time is about 20 minutes. Cook time is 9 minutes. Additional time is an hour apparently. So I just need like an hour and 30 minutes total, and it makes 22 cookies apparently. So these Taylor Swift chai cookies are the perfect balance of fall spices, including chai, cinnamon, and vanilla. And that was one of the main reasons why I went ahead and printed it off, and I'm ready to make it with you all. With the season being fall in all, I really wanted to share the perfect balance of fall in these cookies, being that it's using chai, it's using cinnamon, and it's using vanilla. I've fallen in love with chai lately, and I can't wait to go and make these cookies. So let's go over to the kitchen. Alright y'all, so we're going to beat that butter that's been sitting out at room temperature. So I'm going to go ahead and plop that in here. Alright y'all, so 1/3 cup of olive oil. Half a cup of sugar, once I can measure it out correctly. Alright, so I got 1/3 cup of powdered sugar to add in. Alright, we got 1 egg. And I have vanilla, so I'm going in with 2 tablespoons of that. Alright, I'm going in with 2 cups of flour. Alright, so I'm going in with half a teaspoon of baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Don't put salt in if you're using salted butter. Alright, so our next ingredient is chai. You're going to use a chai tea bag. I am using this one by Twinings. It's I guess made in London originally, but it's richly blended with warm spices, and there's 20 tea bags in here. It's a flavored black tea. So we're just going to take 1 tea bag. Yes, open up the tea bag and dump 1 whole tea bag into your mixture, just like this. And yes, you're gonna dump the entire thing into your mixture. Alright, now it's time to mix all of that up. I can see the chai pieces in the mixture. Smells really, really good. We're gonna let the soft dough chill for about 1 hour in the refrigerator. Alright, so while I'm waiting on the cookies to like kind of come to a chill for an hour, I'm gonna go ahead and make the icing for the cookies. So all you'll need is 1 cup of powdered sugar, 2 tablespoons of whole milk. We're gonna add a little bit at a time, and then a dash of cinnamon and a dash of nutmeg. That's it, that's all. Alright, so you can't really see it, but let's see. It's been a whole hour later. Time to take them out. Alright, have your oven preheating to 350. I'm using pop-up parchment paper on my tray. Alright, so here's what they look like after 8 to 10 minutes. Just let them cool off for 10 to 15, then you can add the icing. Alright, y'all, just allow your icing to harden before placing it anywhere else. Other than that, here are the Taylor Swift chai cookies. I just want to say thank you guys so much for tuning in to today's upload to watch me make these Taylor Swift chai cookies. I can honestly say that they are the bomb. I would definitely make these again any day, and as long as they turn out correctly like they did today, I definitely would. So I'm glad I got to share the cookie recipe with you all. Stay tuned for the video tomorrow.